Thank you for watching. Hi, and welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial, we're going to go over embossing and engraving. I already have one shape up on the screen already. In order to emboss or engrave, we need to have multiple shapes. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Home, click on Shapes, and I'm going to bring in a second one. And I'm going to go ahead and just drag it. I want to change the color so that we can see it. There we go. We're going to select the two shapes and select the Home tab. So I want to select everything. Select all. Make sure we're at Home. Then we're going to go into Stamp and Emboss and go down to Engraved Line. And it will engrave that star right into your oval. You can also go and undo this. Go back up to Stamp and Emboss, engrave the region, and it engraves the region. Let's click on Undo, and we'll click on Stamp and Emboss and go to the bottom one, Embossed Region. So embosses it, it brings it up to the top in a satin stitch. Embossing and engraving only works with a solid fill, a programmable fill, and satin stitches. Okay, let's go ahead and undo that one. And we'll go ahead and get rid of the star as well. And delete. Now to apply and edit stamps, I'm going to go ahead and go Home, Stamp and Emboss, click the arrow, and put Stamp Tool. You can choose the stamps that you're going to want to use. I'm just going to choose the heart for the sake of this tutorial. Click OK, close, and then you go back to your shape and you can click on your region to add your stamps. If you go under View, you can choose. A lot of times our views are set to solid or stitch. I prefer to keep mine on realistic so that you can see a realistic view of how it will stitch out for you. Now if I want to edit the stamp, I'm going to go Home, grab my Select tool, go under Stamp and Emboss, and edit the stamp. Then I'm going to go and pick on one that I have placed, and it will allow you to change the size. You can either manually enter in numbers, or you can use the buttons and scroll down to get to a different size. You can change the direction of your stamp, or you can click on the resizing handles or the rotation handle to edit the stamp, and it will only do it for that one stamp. So if you make changes and you're going to be using stamps, you're going to want to go back and change the settings to make sure your stamps are where you would like to have them. And that's how we use the Emboss and Engraving tool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be notified when other tutorials are posted.